Kia ora whānau. Mike Johnson, District Commander for Tasman Police. He waka eke noa. Just wanted to say we're all in this together.
Kia ora whānau. Just getting packages ready, food packages ready for delivery. Thank you very much to the police for their help. Stay safe, people. All the best. Enjoy the kai.
Thanks, Iwi, for what you're doing for us. Totally unexpected, but we're so pleased that our Mauri people haven't been forgotten about. I remember the earthquakes when they were in Christchurch. So,
yeah.
Kia
Thank you,
kaha,
and we're
and
very
thank you.
grateful.
You are very well, thank you.
Rawakato mo te koha!